Hi, this is JD Break, and we are with Rich from Ring. And Rich, you're talking about some of the indoor camera options that the Ring has. Typically, you think of the video doorbell, but there's some great options to put inside the home so you can check on your house while you're away or your vacation home when you're not there. Tons of opportunities and reasons to have these. So kind of, you want to walk us down the line? We're going like small, medium, and large here.
That's correct. That's a great way to put it. So yeah, this is our line of Ring indoor cameras. Starting with the indoor cam. Small but mighty. It is powered via micro USB. It can be used indoor only, and it's $59 retail. So while you are at the job site and you have the Ring Video Doorbell Pro or 2 or any of the other outdoor products, offer this as an interior option. They can have two-way audio, 1080p video, night vision, as well as a user-enabled alarm to be used in real time from anywhere in the world.
Okay.
Stepping up from that is the Stickup cam. I've got two versions. I've got one is the plug-in, one as the battery. One takes a battery, one takes a plug. It's just that simple. They are $99, and this can be used indoor or outdoor.
Okay.
And then from there, you can step up to the Stickup Cam Elite. Stickup Cam Elite is same thing, 1080p, two-way audio, one-way video, obviously, user-enabled siren. But the unique thing that this has is that it's not only outdoor rated, it has an articulating mount that you can mount to the ceiling, and it's powered via PoE, power over Ethernet. PoE injector is included, so you get a hardwired network connection for flawless stability every single time you use it.
Wow.
This is $199 retail.
Wow, okay, very cool. Now, and it's called the Stickup Cam because, I mean, obviously under here you can mount these upside down. It doesn't matter, I mean, as long as this is to a sturdy surface. It says up right here. So obviously that's how you want to mount that sucker, right?
Kind of. This does stick horizontally or vertically. This actually unscrews, and there's a threaded connector on the back that you can take it off and mount it to the wall if you want it. You can add a ceiling mount to this. It's an extra $20 for that articulating mount.
Gotcha. Perfect. So yes, they come in many sizes, many shapes, but they're all great products. They all work on the Ring app. Available now at Jackson Systems.